Ladies and gentlemen, your boy Mucho with Dream Motorsports checking in. Today we wrapping the hood on the Hellcat, man. Alright y'all, so as you can see where I'm at right now, I just finished glassing the hood. Basically, as you can see from glassing the hood, it's basically just stretching it out, making the vinyl as flat as possible, like glass. That way, as you can see, with kind of just stretching it out, it starts to take shape of the hood. You can see I haven't touched it at all. And you can see the body line from the hood. There go one of the air vents, another air vent. And from there, typically you want to work from what's bulging out, what's standing out the most to you, no dig, and then work your way from there out. So in here, my plan of attack, as you can see, this area standing out to me, so I'll squeegee this down, and then from there, I'll start to work my way in. So just pay attention to the time lapse. You see I go from the inside, out, all right? One step from heaven. So if y'all paying attention to the time lapse, you see I like to work with the squeegee, working my way from the middle out. Now that I have the area that bulges out the most done, I'm gonna put a little bit more heat just to kind of let the vinyl kind of soften up, warming up to the touch. From there, I'll spray with my solution and I'll go ahead and work my way from, you see from here, I'm gonna work down. Just kind of let it just take a shape. So just pay attention to the time lapse, y'all see what I'm talking about. One